This week on the Dairyland Drifter, I'm road tripping up Highway 113 to the Merrimac Ferry in Wisconsin. It crosses the Wisconsin River and opens the door to many cool places to explore. Merrimac Ferry is operated by the Department of Transportation, and it runs for free as part of Route 78 here in the state of Wisconsin, and operates most of the year. They'll pull it out when the lake freezes, do maintenance on it, put it back in when the lake thaws in the spring, and away we go for another season of route transportation across Lake Wisconsin. Situated along the Ice Age National Scenic Trail, Devil's Lake State Park offers significant views from 500-foot quartzite bluffs overlooking a 360-acre lake. Visitors enjoy picnic spots, swimming beaches, hiking trails, paddling opportunities, and camping. Also, year-round naturalist programs. The Devil's Lake and surrounding area began formation over 1 billion years ago through ancient sand deposition, mountain building, river erosion, and glacial activity. During the last ice age, the glacier advanced and deposited thick mounds of earth and rock called terminal moraine at the north and south end of the gorge. These dams blocked the ancient river, trapping water to create Devil's Lake. Oh my God, they're gigantic. Wow. Well, if you're gonna drive around the backside of Devil's Lake State Park, you gotta come over to Sky High. In the fall, they got apples because there's an orchard across the street. And if you are interested in apple turnovers or donuts or cider, they've got it here. From Sky High, you can truck down the hill to Highway 12 and turn right heading north over the Baraboo Bluffs to the city of Baraboo, which has some great attractions including the Circus World Museum, Baraboo River, and the Driftless Glen Distillery. Or turn left and head south back to the Wisconsin River at Sauk City and on to Madison. That wraps up this episode of the Dairyland Drifter. If you made it this far, thank you. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. It helps more people see my content. I really appreciate it. Have fun exploring.